Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a JavaScript tutorial on freeCodeCamp. We're going to use the use asterisk to import everything from a file. So we can use this asterisk to symbolize importing everything in that JavaScript file. And here's the syntax of it: import asterisk as. And here we're creating a name of an object that we can use so we can access to stay organized with all the functions and the properties within math functions file. So when to use the functions within this, you can just do my math module, this is an object, dot add, and then whatever functions we have inside of this file. So for this example, the code in the file requires the contents of the file string functions.js that is in the same directory as the current file. Use the import asterisk as syntax to import everything from the file into an object called string functions. Great, so we do import asterisk as, and then we get the name of what they want us to call it, string functions from, and then quotes, and then quotes we can do single or double, doesn't matter, and then dot slash because it's in the same directory. And I'm just going to copy this and remove this comma. And that's it for this one. Thank you so much.